To cancel Apple free trials or subscriptions on a Mac, navigate to the Apple menu in the top left of your desktop and select System Settings from the dropdown. In the Settings window, locate your Apple account in the top left. If you're not already signed in, you will be prompted to input your Apple ID credentials. It is also worth noting that an internet connection is required to complete this process. Then, click on your Apple account and select Media and Purchases in the column that appears. Next, locate the Subscriptions section and then click the Manage button to the right. In the Subscriptions window that appears, you will see a list of your active trials and subscriptions. Before we go any further and accidentally do something unintentional, I would like to note that unlike many other subscription services, Apple currently stops free trials on the date of cancellation and does not give you the remainder of the trial period. So, if you're canceling a free trial and not a paid subscription, then be prepared to lose access immediately. Okay, moving on. Click on one of the subscriptions and locate the Cancel button towards the bottom. Click it, read through the confirmation prompt, which will likely reiterate some of what I mentioned above, and then confirm by clicking the Cancel Subscription button in the lower right. That particular subscription will now show as canceled, and you're all set. Click the Back button in the lower right, and you will see that the service you just canceled has moved down to the Inactive section. Repeat the same process for any other subscriptions you would like to cancel. I couldn't find a bulk cancel button, so if anybody discovers a faster way to cancel multiple subscriptions, then please leave a comment. Regardless, this doesn't take very long, and once you've completed all of your desired cancellations, you should see them all in the inactive list. Finally, click Done in the lower right, and the process is complete. The subscriptions are now canceled, and you will not be billed going forward. You can also easily go back to the same place to manage your subscriptions and resubscribe in the future. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps support me and my channel. Thanks.